They survived. The ferry's delayed. Jack's smelly fucking now. Here's my smelly fucking now. So the ferry's delayed. Yeah. To the bakery. We're stranded in this place. Hopefully they don't kick us out. Yeah. Whatever that is. 2. Thanks. Merci.
Merci, monsieur. Bonjour. Vous allez bien?
I stand here beside this church, eat some freshly baked goods. Get the croissant dust off the bike. Which way am I going? Let's go this way. Alright. Back to the campsite. Tried to get some fizzy drink. No sugar for Jack, but no chance of that. Oh dude, the fucking disc lock's on. Do you want me to go down and do the key while you're doing that? Yeah. I'll leave that taken over. There we go. All good, yeah. Very good. Thanks very much. It was lovely. Have a nice time. Have you got directions? Yeah. Grand. Yeah, I went through the puddle last night, or yesterday. Thank you. Hey. Alright, we're into it now. Bye bye place. And on the way to Cherbourg to wait for a ferry that's not gonna come. Yeah, I see it, no problem. I'll get up to you now. Right? Do they have gloves here? Oh, they have gloves here. They have gloves here. SPE10. Yeah. Fucking hell, spraying petrol everywhere. Here's all the gloves. Gloves are so wet. We have like no morale. Oh, we do. We have loads of morale. I just got very cold there. So did Jack. He's over there now with his bike. But I grabbed a load of these. I'm gonna put them under my gloves, just as a little barrier. And yeah, you should have just brought my winter gloves, but it's last stop. Hopefully.
We might need to
Yeah. My feet are soaking wet and they're not. Yeah, but they're. Yeah, mine are wet and cold. But they've gone beyond cold. They're just so sore right now. Like, oh my god, I feel like my toenails are about to pop off. You gotta fix your ear. Do your ear. Fix your earphone. Yeah. Fix it, boy. Hello. It's back. Woohoo! You really got to counter steer when you're on the bends. Car ferry. Hey, look at that. Hey. Nice. Boom. Yeah, if we can just go in there and just get warm, it'd be absolutely fantastic. So, woo! Nothing like a bit of sneakery. Our spaces are a bit small. Let's go here.
There we are. Waiting. I hope we can go in. I hope they'll let us just sit in. Please, God. Yeah, we need to use the bathroom.
Yeah.
Gloves off. Let's get some fucking warmth going somewhere.
It's been crazy.
You hear that?
Yeah.
Well. Let's set up the camera.
I'll wait for you over here. Hello.
Give you a voucher of 15 euros to spend on breakfast or lunch tomorrow.
Great, thank you.
Voilà, just bar straight down, but you're gonna wait a little bit.
Yeah, okay. We're just gonna wait a little bit. Yeah.
Hello. Perfect, thank you very much. Bruce?
Yeah.
I get like a 10-second thing.
Behind you. Ooh, very slippy.
Good more?
the side? No.
Oh god. Understand?
All right, Jack.
And we know that for safety purposes, CCTV cameras are in operation. Finally, before I hand you over to my OSS department, I would like to recommend you to pay particular attention to the following important safety announcements. Thank you.
We got sorted. It's 2 a.m. Looney Tunes in the city. Doesn't look like much, but it was like choppy earlier. There wasn't many enough for breakfast. Breakfast cured me, so. The homeland. Ireland. Look at all that rain.
Stop, yeah.
It's literally. Fuck. We weren't far from here when we camped on the beach. Very close.
Yeah, it's just up there somewhere. Something would fall off, wouldn't it?
How'd you get on, Jack? Was it grand? Yeah, it was grand. We can see the whites of your eyes there. Everything okay? Yeah, it was just it was the pulled pork I had at dinner there. Oh, you got it. Nice. Back in Ireland.
Hello. Yeah, go right. No, I know that was sure.
Going middle line. Here we go. What's he looking for? Garda. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Wide load.
That's us, alright. Bit of a bad start. Here we go. My exit. No, it's in like 5 minutes less. Yeah. Yeah. See you later. Yeah, it was amazing, man. Thanks very much. I'll see you soon. We'll decompress it. Thanks very much. See you, man. Safe riding. That's it. That was a great trip. 2,570 so far. Started last rain. Great experience. Absolutely fantastic experience. Tested me at times, you know, but overall it went so smoothly. Really, it was just fine. Like, definitely gonna do it again. I can drop the bike now, of all times. Drop it, like. Hi, hello, it's me. Hello. Hi, get in.